All right guys, it's Ryan back here. I've got a 2022 KTM 250 XCW for you guys to check out. And just a reminder, the three XCWs, the 300, the 250, and the 150 all share the same chassis. The 300 and the 250 are the same motor, except that the 250 bore is 5.6 millimeters narrower. So they have a lot of the same feel, but the 250 definitely feels a little more livelier to me. They're obviously all EFI via the transfer ports, electric started, oil injection. Breaking down the basics for anybody who's not familiar with the new KTMs. No premix needed. It goes right there in that container. I think you can get anywhere between 5 to 7 tanks out of a full oil container. All right guys, the W in XCW means wide ratio transmission. That is a Pankel transmission. If you're not familiar with Pankel, look them up. They are the best. So let's talk about changes for 2022. I went over these on a couple other XCW videos, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit you with the highlights again. We have firmer suspension settings for the WP Explorer forks. These are spring forks. For all you guys that don't understand or hate the air forks, there you go. Obviously it's PDS on the rear, no linkage. I like that. You get a little better clearance and you have one less thing you need to maintain. Better damping hardware on the suspension. In the front, for example, you have a lower friction fork tube, and there's a polished spring for this year, which I haven't got to see what it looks like yet. I haven't popped one open, but that's pretty cool. That's supposed to just keep the oil cleaner. And a new upper cartridge screw connection for better damping. Now the shock gets a few new O-rings that are supposed to be more resistant to deforming, wear, and fading. And the 2022 250 XCW, which is what we're looking at here, has a lower final gearing for better low speed for performance. Now, obviously new graphics, new color seat, just a sweet looking bike. They really knocked them out of the park this year in looks, and they're pretty much already there in performance, guys. So if you're interested in one of these machines, you need to email sales@aomc.mx, and one of our salesmen over there will get you hooked up 100%. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. This is Ryan with AOMC. I'll see you guys in the next video.